Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel and सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं आनी येवकार दिता म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. सो आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता मटन शाकुती जो हांवें पिठो केलोलो आसलो आनी तो व्हिडिओची लिंक हांव डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान घालतली. मटन मतलब शाकुती मसाला आमच्यान खूब ह्यो मसाला आसा जाल्यार खूब वस्तूंक आमी खूब मांसांक भाजयेक उजार करूं येता. तर आयज हांव मटन शाकुती दाखयता. So today I am going to show you mutton xacuti. You can say lamb, sheep, goat, all in one. It is mutton. So mutton xacuti, and for that we need this mutton xacuti masala, which is around 6 tablespoon of xacuti masala, which I will be sharing you this video how to make this masala in this video's description box. So if you want to learn and you want to keep this ready, then you can watch that and make this. Okay, so now we need this mutton masala, that is around xacuti masala, which is 6 tablespoon homemade xacuti masala. You can use your market one also. Then we need 1 kg of mutton. This is 1 kg of mutton. So I have marinated it overnight by applying ginger garlic paste, that is around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 lime juice, and 2 tablespoon of salt I have added for this mutton and marinated it overnight. Okay, so this is for mutton marination I told you, and I leave it. Now today I am doing it. So this is like overnight I had already marinated. Now the second thing what you need, so this is what I am going to use. These are 2 white onions, then 2 tomatoes, then this is a small bunch of coriander leaves, 1 green chili, because these are very spicy, that's why I am using 1 only, that is enough, and few mint leaf, pudina leaf. Okay, so now if anyone is allergic to spiciness, you can avoid this and only add this. So we will have to grind this actually. This we have to grind. Then the other one more ingredient I am going to use is around 6 potatoes, the small size 6 to 8 potatoes, washed and have peeled it and have cut this into these pieces. Now to grind, I roasted this 100 gram of coconut. So it's like half coconut. If you weigh this, this is like 100 grams coconut. This is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 small cloves of whole of garlic. In the market you get bigger one, then you put only 1. Like 1 is enough or half is enough, depends on what. These are like Goan tea. Okay, Goan tea, smaller size, very tasty it is. So this I am adding 2. Then here I have used the normal red onion, that is 1. Then tamarind, this much. So it's like 1 small ball of tamarind, and I am going to use to grind this 4 Kashmiri chilies, because I need little bit of orangish reddish color. Because if you see my other chicken xacuti I've made around, there are so many videos there. If you go and check the Hindu style, then the Goan style of Christian Catholic houses. So all those xacutis are there on my video. If you check xacuti, Goan Xacuti, you will get all the videos of chicken xacuti. So I am adding now this. So let's grind this first. Okay, so we have to grind this and grind this. So first I will grind this, and then I will grind this. So I am adding little bit of water, very little. I have taken around 2 tablespoons of oil, and I am going to fry the potatoes first and keep aside. I am going to just roast these potatoes, and then I will keep this aside. Then will be the following procedure. So let's add this. So we'll fry this for a few minutes on medium high flame. So now this is enough for me. I will take this out and keep aside. So you have to just take this and keep aside. Now this I have grind my coriander, pudina and chili. Now in that same oil I will fry onion and tomatoes. So let this fry nicely on low flame. And now we'll grind this masala also. So that is ground. Now we will grind this masala. So we'll grind this with adding little water. So here we are grinding that same way we grind our coriander. So now the tomatoes and everything is nicely cooked. So now in this we will add our coriander paste and we'll add this masala. And we'll add our mutton to this and let the mutton get cooked in this masala. Okay, so we'll add this mutton. Once the mutton gets cooked, now so now we'll cover this and we will cook. I'm not using pressure cooker because the mutton is tender, which is lamb again. So even if you have a goat meat, so depending on your mutton, you can otherwise pressure cook this and cook this in pressure cooker also, how you want, but I am not using. So if you get the tender one and if you get sheep meat or lamb meat, then it is very good. So let's cover and let it get cooked for around 20 minutes. Till then we'll grind our masala. So we'll check. We have not added our masala yet. So first let this get cooked. So what I'll do, I'll transfer this and I will show you the next procedure. Let this get cooked on slow. We'll take a big kadai. Certain vessels I have got some sentiments. It was been gifted and with love and all. That's why I am not I'm using those still. So now we will let this become hot And we'll add a little bit of oil. Actually doesn't need, because the potatoes were having oil only, and potato and the masala, let them get cooked together. So now this is the potatoes which I had fried. See, the oil is already there, so add in this. And in this we will add our ground masala. So we'll add our ground masala, this masala, to this. So potato also gets some flavor. Salt we will have to check later. Add little bit of water to this. Around half cup, that same water of the mixer I am adding. So let this also get cooked for 5 minutes. So this is my, it's like done, like only little bit is remaining. It's cooked because it is tender, and it is lamb actually what I got. But whatever mutton you are getting, lamb, goat, sheep, whatever, see that if it is not tender, then you will have to cook it in pressure cooker. Especially Goa goat meat, you have to pressure cook it. Okay, so this is very tender and it's already cooked now in 10 minutes in the pan only. So now the next procedure. Even with the same gravy, is so tasty. And here it is. So now we transfer that to here. So take this however you want to transfer, and transfer this to this. And mix this very, very nicely. And wow, and the color will change now. Check the salt. So I wanted this color this time, so that's why I added Kashmiri red chili. If you don't want, then only Goan. You don't have to add any chili, because Xacuti Masala Powder has got chilies and everything. So please watch my videos, other videos on Xacuti, then you will get an idea of chicken Xacuti. I will share that also in this description box. So please don't forget to go in the description box. It's very easy. There is, like, when you go and you see, there is a description box and all the links are there. So you have to just click that link. So now we'll cook this for another 10 minutes till all this get cooperate together, and potatoes and mutton pieces. Better for mutton Xacuti to you have it as small pieces. Okay, Xacuti, that's why it is called Xacuti. So like that, small pieces mutton, small pieces. Bigger pieces, bigger chunks, okay, but smaller pieces are better for Xacuti curry. So I'll cover this again and cook this for another 5 minutes on low flame. Okay. Check the salt. So I have checked the salt. I had added 2 tablespoons for marination, so it's perfect. But you can check accordingly, less, more, it's all up to you. So I'll cover this for 10 minutes. Okay. So my mutton Xacuti is ready to serve. You can see this. It's done so nicely, see. And hope you all will enjoy. I'm going to enjoy this. Just garnish this with coriander leaves and serve potatoes and tomatoes, onion and the mutton. Everything is cooked nicely. The gravy is cooked nicely. So enjoy this for your Easter or any feast. Whenever you feel like making this, make this. It's just yum. Eat it with bread, pulao. Even roti, chapati will go nice with this. But Goan breads and pulao rice, that is arroz, superb it is. Okay. Thank you so much and enjoy this mutton Xacuti. And one more thing, if you cook this in the morning, try to eat it in the evening, late evening. Then it is more yum. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा हांव म्हज्या गोंयकारांक आनी सगळ्यांक आनी होप आयज तुमकां मानतलें की अदरवायज तुमी सदांच म्हणटा गोंयकारांक कुकर उजार करना पूण आतां आमकां सगळीं आमी कामाची मनशां बिजनसाची मनशां आमकां घराकूच लागून आमकां हें ना टायम आसना घरान लायक सो इजी करपाक आमी कुकर उजार करता सो आयज हांवें तुमकां विदावट कुकर मटन शिजोवपाक आणि रांदपाक शिकयला दिस इज फॉर द पीपल हू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम स्क्रॅच बट पूण हे जी ने पळय कोण शिकोंक सोदता गोंयचें रांदप हें तांकां लागून पूण जी गोंयकारां जाणा ती जाणा सगळीं जाणा गोंयकारां सगळीं आपणाचे घरामायचे मायेचे कडेन शिकोन येयल्या आनी आमचे गोंयचें जेवण इज सुपर्ब टेस्टी यम सो थँक्यू सो मच देव बरें करूं गॅस बंद करता सो आय हॅव सर्व दिस वे सो यू कॅन सर्व विच एवर वे थँक्यू अगेन